What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to pair a phone to a 2020 Chevy Trax using Bluetooth. I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. The first thing you want to do is go into your phone's settings, open the Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, what I'm going to do is click the phone menu from the bottom right here. And then from this screen, I'll click Connect Phone and then Add Phone. Now, if we grab our phone, under the available devices, it's going to pop up as My Chevrolet. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone screen matches the PIN number on your center screen, and it does. So on here, I'll click Pair. And then on my phone, I'll click Pair as well. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set that up right now. But as you can see, we are now connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.